Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. On this window, type this command sfc /scannow and hit enter. This command will take some time to complete its process, so wait for it. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again, go to search bar and type cmd, select run as administrator. Now these commands are really important. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy them and paste on command prompt window. To execute them, simply hit enter. Okay, now close this command prompt window. Again, go to search bar and open command prompt. Now type chkdsk c:/f/r/x and then type y to execute this command. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.